Good morning to all of you. Once again, welcome back to your online classes. So, previous video I explained you active and passive voice, and what is the voice meaning, what is the active voice. So today I will explain you what is the passive voice, and in this video I will explain the tenses, active and passive voice. Okay, so first of all we see present definite, active and passive voice. The next video I will explain you present past, present continue and present perfect one. So in this video you will see all the details and how to change the tenses and which tense is not changed into active to passive. If in case it change it, so it's called be wrong. So let's start our video. Good morning and welcome back to online classes. So today video is about active and passive, which is part 2. The previous video I explained you what is the voice and what is the family of voice, active and passive. In the first video I explained you what is active and how is the sentences of that. Now this video I will explain you what is the voice, passive voice, and how to identify the sentences and how to change it also. So in this video we will discuss also present indefinite, okay, and this full structure I will explain. So without wasting our time, let's start our video. So as you can see on your screen, what do you mean by passive voice? First of all, we see what is the meaning of passive voice. Okay, so some topic is some also there. A word is in the passive voice when its form shows that something is done to the person or thing denoted by the subject. In passive voice, the subject gets affected by the performer of the word. You can see here the examples. The bus was stopped by the students. The work will be finished by him tomorrow. The letter was brought by the postman. The process was submitted by the student, and work will be done by me. Cakes are made by her. My room was cleaned by me. So these are the sentences related to passive voice, and the structure of this passive voice: object plus verb plus subject. Okay. So this one you can see in previous video also explain you about active and passive. What is the meaning of active? So suppose if you have the brother and sister, active is like the behavior in the language still, and passive always means taking time and we say round and round. Yes, words. Okay. So suppose the student stopped the bus. So the bus stopped by the students. Okay, like this one. I hope you understand what is the passive voice and what is the active voice. So let's start our present indefinite active passive. So what we study today, passive, active, passive voice from present indefinite tense. You know already. So as you know, when we see the sentence in active to passive voice is when we convert it active to passive, then all the tenses use follows means helping verb present or not. Then we also change the passive something and take something helping verb. Okay, means it's an interly helping verb. इसको किसी भी फॉर्म में या वो किसी भी फॉर्म में हो, whether it is any form, 1, 2, 3, 4, according to that its form will be changed to according to the sentences. So we will see, first of all we will see how to kinds of tenses and type of, okay, then we change it, and how it is possible to change active to passive, because some rules are not allowed to us to change the active to passive. So as you can see on your screen, the active voice in present indefinite. Present, three tenses are there. When we divided these three tenses, so we got 12. Okay, type. We can say type. Okay, tenses type, tenses types is three, and you divide it into types of this tenses 12 is there, and उन 12 में से भी 4 जब हम माइनस करें यानी हम टोटल 8 टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंस को देखेंगे वो कैसे then we how to change this one present past and future present indefinite change into past and future continue change into present and past not in the future perfect change in three forms but perfect continue will be not change and active to passive if it will be changed it is not correct it will be very awkward and it will be wrong according to the grammar so let's start first of all our present indefinite so this is the structure of present indefinite means simple definite. So like for example here is above. So this is the rules when you change when your subject the main verb not subject your main verb and es या s then you use the is and now according to the sentence according to the verb. When talking about present definite change into active to passive voice, so three forms are there. First is subject, positive, negative, and interrogative sentence. You can see on your screen, this is the chart of present indefinite tense, how to change active to passive. So first is subject plus verb plus s or es plus object. This is the positive. Subject plus do not, does not, verb first form plus object. This is negative sentence and negative active. Do, does plus subject plus verb object. So this is interrogative. Now I will see how to change active voice to passive voice. This is the rules you can see on your screen. So means first of all you make the positive, then negative, then interrogative. Any positive means any normal. So without wasting of time, you have to learn this subject plus verb. First form I say as subject. This is the positive. Okay. So you learn this chart. It's easy to change the help your active to passive voice. Okay. And this one keep in your mind and your subject not is mr in this active voice, but when you change here no does is mr not using, but when we are talking about any subject helping verb then we use do or does not here. Okay, then when you make an interrogative then you use do or does before the subject. Okay, and when you change this does not, so after helping verb we use not. Okay, you can see this picture. So when you change this passive voice this active sentence the passive voice, then v1 any verb first form will be changed into verb third. Okay, and your subject will be your object will be subject and subject will be object. Okay, so don't be confused, and like according to s or es you just change is mr. Okay, and as you know that one, so when you change it to by we will use it. Okay, in active to passive. So now we can see here this helping verb या मेन वर्ब से पहले हम कौन से वर्ब रखेंगे हेल्पिंग वर्ब, we will see here and how to change it. And before v3 what will be keep here, it will be change our passive voice in present indefinite. Okay, I mean to say that our tense will be not changed. So what will we do there? Okay, as we know that v1 is changed into the v3, but if we keep only v3 is here, so tenses will be confused and looking awkward and maybe it will be wrong. If we want to balance this one sentences, so we will go in present indefinite. So to balance this one, so we will be called to the helping verb of present indefinite tense. Okay, so we will go in to be. So to be is our is mr. Okay, and to be is we have v1 and is the you have the v1. So in when we go in to be, so then we see in v1 which see v1 have a to be have a v1 is is MR and V2 में उनके पास से was were and then V3 में been है and V4 में being है, BEING. Okay. So we asked them, we give anyone helping out to change our tenses को compensate करता है यानी बैलेंस का. So we will see प्रेजेंट डेफिनेट के लिए क्या है, यहाँ पे इज MR है और बाकी चीज़ें जो है पास्ट परसेंटेज के लिए हो जाती है. बट हमें अभी प्रेजेंट टेंस के बारे में पढ़ना है, तो हम इस MR को हेल्पिंग वर्ब में लेंगे और इस V1 को बैलेंस करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, इज MR का यूज़ कर लेंगे. सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस. सो एज यू कैन सी द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दिस फर्स्ट वन, इंटेरोगेटिव positive, he plays cricket. So you know, first of all you should know which tense this sentence is. So as you know, in the positive way, s or es in the main verb. So we identify that one. This is the present indefinite tense sentence. So what is the structure of this? Object plus is MR according to the s or es. Okay, so we follow the rules. So you will change into cricket and he will change it him and then him before by. So plays is there, so we will use played because V1 change into the V3, so it is a present tense sentence. So whenever we want to be happy to present continuous tense हो चाहे कोई भी हो तो हम इस MR का यूज़ करेंगे बिकॉज हमारा S है. Okay, so cricket is played by him. So I hope it will be clear now how to change that one. According to the structure you change it. So cricket is, okay, because cricket is by him. Okay, I hope it is changed to Western. So in this one, subject also structure already we have taken to be from is MR, so we will not change it. Okay, so when you change the sentence, does not according to the subject, you change it. Okay, then what is the structure? Subject plus do not, if does not will be there, so you change into is MR. Okay, and according to verb third. So you can see the second one, they take care of children. So first of all you have to know which tense this one. So this is the present indefinite tense sentence. So this is second one, you can see here. So children will become here. So we know this indefinite one, so helping will be changed to are. Children is the plural one. Okay, are taken care of by them. They will be changed into them. Okay, children's is the plural one, so children's helping verb are. Okay, according to the subject we will change into helping verb. So next one, he writes a book. They know this one is sentence. So what will we do? Books. So many books are there. Okay, so books are so many, so books are, then what will become here? Books are written, because write is the first one, V1, so V1 change into V3. Okay, so what will be written by he will change into him. Don't look at my writing, but please you understand that one. So I hope you clear that one, how to change it. So as you can see this one, they do not take care of children, so we use do not here. So it is a negative sentence in present indefinite tense. So how to change it? So we do one thing. What will we do? We first of all see the children's. So object will become here children, then helping verb. So you know do will change into are not. Take will be changed into taken care of by them. You have to learn do or does not how to change it. in which form. Okay, so it is an interrogative sentence. Do they take care of children? So you change are children taken care by them. Okay, this is your question. Okay, suppose does bird lay egg in the next. Okay, so how to change it? What will we do? Does is there, so is egg, because egg is a singular, so is will become helping verb. Is late, lay will change in third form, late by bird in the next. According to the subject will change is and are. Okay, so bird only one is there, egg is one, so is. I hope you clear this one, and I will give you more example and push sentences to change this one. Okay, only about this interrogative, present definite, and these three forms I hope you clear it. So please you practice it. Thank you.